Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make After Effects like text on CapCut. So all you have to do now, open your projects. This is the project that I took from library, and I already edited before, like split and also color grading. And now you can add text. You can type anything here. For example, a city, a car, and done. Now go to the fonts or and then styles. So try to use glow here. This one you can use glow, and also the shadow, also white. You can try to adjust the opacity, try to lower, and then add effects. So try to search the the add animation. Try to search in the alt. Try to use expand here, and you can lower the speed here, so you can adjust the duration here. And let's try to play the video here. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.